right-hand drive.
Looking like a Honda guy.
Yo, Jay, it's for sale. Yo, Jay. Where's Jay? It's for sale.
What's up, man?
It's for sale.
What up, young man?
Make it over. It's for sale.
I'm not revving my car up.
He turned it off. Not as
Real car shake me, rev him up. James, shake your car.
You're gonna be like, Gio. You're gonna be like, Gio, something broke.
So you can get some footage if you want. If you rev it up, just on red line like this.
No, I'm not gonna do it. I drove it. I'm happy, bro.
Oh yeah, you did drive it.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Oh yo, it does in park. Yeah. Yeah.
He is the guy that makes this possible. He gets his car from the dealership. Golf R turbo is bigger than the stock turbo comes in the car.
It's the Golf R.
It is.
Go look at that. What's that, Jay? Go look at that in that car.
We're not talking about that.
Go look at that.
Bike and stuff like
That's a 2-liter turbo.
No.
That's a 65 millimeter right there. Oh, you said you're gonna start it up.
Mira, mira, the guy that you heard the feeling is doing a big one once you upgrade.
He's about to rev this shit the fuck up.
Yeah, you might as well walk out. I'm gonna walk out, bro. I'm out. I love that. I love how yours sounds, especially when you drive slow.
You woke up a real boss.
Easy made that.
I think it's great.
Let me show my girl your car.
Oh yeah, of course. I'll give you the key. Hold on.
We're not talking about next week. We're not talking about next week. We're not talking about, no, we're not doing
No,
that.
we don't go tune it right now.
No, we don't get right now. I'm talking about what his car,
We can tune it right now.
Don't try to suck me in like that. Don't try to do that.
I'll do it 40 bro.
Woo, Jay.
But you fixed it. The car's right.
Look.
You would really do it 40.
Do it, Jay. You on live, bro. You got
No.
Jay, you on live, bro. You on live. They want to see some action. You need some content.
I don't mind people action.
You need some content, Jay. You might as well do it.
So
You
you
did
want to
all
do
that
the
to your car, man. Come on now.
Race and verse.
Come on, man.
the car don't even, what's broken on it?
Oh, let me
diff.
fix Mike's car and you do a 60 roll with Mike.
He don't want to do no 60 roll with me.
Why?
I don't
Mike said no.
Here's the thing. I pick and choose my battles. I will battle.
Nah, you can't do that.
You gotta
That's
be
not
top dog,
racing.
you gotta
That's not
be
racing,
top
bro.
dog.
No.
That's not racing. You
My
gotta
guy.
go in all the time. No.
Back out, man.
He'll get everybody here.
You can't do that.
He'll get everybody here without that. That's what I'm talking about.
What you got?
Yo, this is like Texas. This is like literally like Texas.
You wanna run the RS3?
I can beat an RS3 stock form.
You
I
wanna
can
run
beat an
pressure?
RS3
You
stock
wanna feel the
form.
pressure?
20 roll, I'll kill an RS3.
Yeah, his car.
DJ.
I'll kill an RS3. I'm not talking shit.
Not from a dig, you're not gonna
Not
kill
from a
it.
dig. I see. I know my place in that.
But that's not the point. You gotta do all. My bad, bro.
All I'm saying is, from a roll, it'll be interesting. I know not to mess with Quick Spool no more because he used to have a GTI. Now he don't. Now he got all-wheel drive, and now he'll get me.
Jay, you scared all-wheel drive? Just do it, bro. Just do it.
scared
Take the
all-wheel
L.
drive.
Yo, just take the L.
Spin.
Just take the L. Take the L and come back harder.
I mean,
Take the L and come back.
doing
Thank you,
big,
appreciate
then
it.
we can
We're
play.
doing, I mean,
Just take the L. Just take the L.
if
Just
y'all
take
want
the L.
to see a GTI lose over and over and over again, I'll do it for the shenanigans. I'll do it for the shenanigans. I'll do it for the shenanigans. I will do it to lose every race. Your car's all-wheel drive. Your car's all-wheel drive. Where's Mike? Your car's got the stickiest tires in the business right now, so that doesn't count. You're all-wheel drive. You're all-wheel drive. Give me a big turbo GTI to run. That'll make it into from a dig. That'll be a fair run.
If you run him right now, take the wheels.
Yeah, he'll give you the gap. Quickspool will give you the gap.
Jay, talk for yourself. Talk for yourself. Talk for yourself. Don't talk for yourself, Jay. Talk for yourself. Talk for yourself.
Okay, I will say it on live. From a 20-mile-an-hour roll, I will beat a 2020 C43.
Nah, I don't think so.
I promise you.
20 roll a
I
dig.
need 440s from a roll.
Huh?
20 roll.
You get him.
I'll get them. I know I'll get them. That's what I'm saying. 440s?
I think so, bro.
No, bro. Okay.
I think so.
Okay. I'm not gonna put Quickspool in there because Quickspool quiet right now.
Huh?
You know when gonna do it? He listen to everybody.
I got a long way to go home. So I mean, we could find. I know. We could go to Mexico.
So what are we talking about?
We can go to
20 roll?
Mexico.
20 roll?
20 roll.
And his car.
I just got new tires.
And what other car? What other car?
I literally just put new tires on the car today.
What
It's
other
perfect.
I'm definitely down to
That's
play.
exactly what my car going to do. It's spin.
My shit is gonna go like that. I don't know what they are.
Take the other lane.
I mean, lane, this lane, that lane, it don't matter to me. I mean, if it's from a dig on all-wheel drive car, I don't want to. I got built. Thank you. That's fair. So you understand my logic. He got
the sauce.
No, he ain't got no gray.
He got a slow car.
Pearly white.
Oh yeah? His guy's shirt. Full stock. What's done to it? Y'all still going on about this shit?
Yeah, I don't know. Once you said I could do 30 rolls.
I'm paying $1.
Oh, you doing a pot? You doing a pot? You doing a pot? I'm with it.
Yo, JR, find somebody. We're getting a pot together.
You getting a pot together?
Let's go. I got $1. Let's go.
Yo.
Oh, big 30.
That inspired me to run. This is great. You go out to 20, I might consider it. That's a half take a gas for me.
I'll definitely lose to you from a roll. Cause that little shit is great.
It got top end.
Little too.
Yeah, stop. All I got is mid pipe.
Audi GTI.
I think the GTI, honestly, is going to lose every car from a dig.
He's gonna be like
From a
43.
43 not broken in yet. You got at least put 1,000 miles on it. You got at least put 1,000 miles.
I ran 440s before stock.
We got at least
30 roll,
1,000
40
miles
roll,
on it.
and I've creamed them.
I don't think the GTI keep it with the 40s.
Let's prove this tonight.
I don't think keep up either.
We got highways all around
You don't think
us.
that
We
you
got
can keep
Mexico
up with them?
all around us.
Keep up with the
I'm
RS3 or the 43.
Listen, I'm not a show off. I'm not a show by any means, but I will prove my point.
At all.
At all.
I will make you trade that Benz back to the dealer. I'll make you trade that Benz back to the dealer. Don't do it.
This shit moves.
I believe
You still can return your car back, right?
JS top end. He misses gears. You gotta think about it.
He doing it to me.
You gotta think about that.
Yo, Lionel got $3 in the pot.
Tell him, give me cash up. Give me cash up.
Huh?
Give me cash
Yo,
up.
we're gonna start at a cash app.
Yeah, throw the cash
If it gets to $100, we running. Huh?
Give me cash
Yo.
up.
Hey,
Give me cash
yo,
up.
I'm telling you, bro. Quickspool, just sit back, let everyone talk their smack, and just clean house. People like Royal Flush.
Yo, that smile right there.
He got something under there. He got something under there. He got something.
3 motors in 1 year.
He got something under
By
there.
himself. In his driveway.
Why you talking his business, bro?
Because it's good stuff.
Stop
No,
talking his
not
business.
the last car, man. That's high credit, though. Credit to him, bro.
Yo, there's a Dodge Challenger coming back for you.
That was nice, Felipe. Tell him I bill him and I drive him. That was nice, bro. Woo! I bill him and I drive him.
That's suffering.